All right. So you bought a Yealink device, like a headset, speakerphone, or a webcam. And now what happens if it stops working? Let me show you in 4 easy steps on how to get it working or to get a replacement. So you see a trend here. Step number one, try to fix it yourself and visit the Yealink support site. It's a nice site. It has a full knowledge base. There's articles, tips and tricks, information to hopefully get you up and running for by yourself. You know, not it's not always necessary to pick up the phone or make a submission. See what you can do for some simple troubleshooting yourself. So step one, again, make sure that you visit that support. Make sure that you go and you visit that support site. Now, if after you've done some self help, you're not able to get yourself up and running. Well, first off, hey, if you fixed it, fantastic, you're done, you're off and running. But if it still isn't working, you want to move on to step number two. Step number two, so they do it a little bit different. They have you do. They either ask you to contact the reseller, like Global Tech, that you bought the product from, and they can help you out, or you can open up an online ticket through their support website. Now, opening up that online support ticket, they're asking for information that is not just who you are and to contact you, but also what product do you have? Do you have a copy of the invoice? Can you explain some of the issues that are happening? And what they do is then they will open up a ticket for you electronically, and they'll communicate back and forth with you, and they'll try to resolve the issue. So if after speaking with either the reseller that sold you the product or electronically with Yealink, if they fix the product, fantastic, you're up and running again. But if the product isn't working still, then you can move on to step number three. So step number three here is the ticket that you submitted with the information that they've already asked for. They'll make sure and they'll check for warranty status. So moving on from step three, they check to see if it's in or out of warranty, and they will reply back to you. So step number four is learning. Is it in warranty or is it out of warranty? Now, also, these products have up to a 3-year warranty as well, depending on what item it is. If the product is in warranty, fantastic. You can submit your online claim right there. They'll show you how it's done. You do an exchange of products. You ship the product locally. You get a replacement product. You're up and running. Now, if the product is out of warranty, you know what? We'd love for an opportunity to do business with you and find a solution that works for you. Contact us directly. Contact us electronically. You can chat with us online. You can pick up the phone, whatever works. An electronic contact submission. We have a team of people that are eager to interact with you and find the solution that's going to meet today's needs. So, Rolando, that's a little process there for Yealink on how to get back up.
And that one's a little bit of a mystery that we had to unpack, right? Simply because Yealink, of the manufacturers we've already highlighted, they're newer to the market when it comes to these devices, as opposed to Sennheiser, EPOS / and also Plantronics. So we're glad to bring that information to you so that you can more easily get the support you need. Pro tip: have your invoice handy when you bought the product. Now, if you bought it on Amazon, you have your Amazon stuff that's on your computer or on your app, or you bought it from directly from us on our website, or even somebody else for that matter. Why would you buy from somebody else? I don't know. Come to us. We'll help you out. But have it handy, because we've found that sometimes, even for stuff that's in warranty, the date code that is on the product for Jabra, as well as all the manufacturers, sometimes that date code gives you a little bit of a buffer in terms of when the warranty should begin. They usually give you a few extra months. But what we've also found, especially now with the shipping problems, things taking longer to get to the US, there's not enough truckers to move things around from warehouse to warehouse. It is handy to have it, because The warranty begins when you bought it, and the date code and the warranty beginning when you bought it may not be a match or may not be sufficient. So always, if you have your invoice or proof of purchase handy, just in case you need to make a warranty claim. That's the pro tip.
Good advice, Rolando. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the like
bump
button.
The like button, Dave.
Bump that.
Give
like
it with
button.
some emphasis. Bump the like button.
You know, it helps us out. It helps us out within within all of the social media platforms that we're on. So if you have that opportunity, it means a lot to us. So please.
Yeah, as well as sending us a comment or a suggestion, because we just may feature it on an upcoming segment. We love feedback. We love the engagement. It keeps us on our toes. We hope that this added value to your day. We certainly would love to see you in a future segment or in a future episode. Dave and I have some other episodes lined up for you right here. We look forward to seeing you there.